In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Stitchfix work. If you've been curious about how Stitchfix works, this walkthrough will give you a clear picture of the process from start to finish. Stitchfix is a personal styling service that helps you discover clothing, shoes, and accessories based on your preferences. And the setup is designed to be simple. To begin, go to the official Stitchfix website. Once you're there, click Get Started or take your style quiz. That's how you enter the onboarding process and begin building your profile. Next, create your account and provide your basic information. If you prefer, Stitch Fix may also offer sign-in options through services like Google, Apple, or Facebook. The goal here is just to set up your access so the platform can save your preferences and recommendations. After that, complete the style quiz. This is one of the most important parts because it helps Stitch Fix understand what you actually want. You'll share details such as your clothing size, fit preferences, personal style, lifestyle, and budget. The more accurate you are here, the better your style profile will reflect your needs. Once your profile is ready, Stitch Fix matches you with a human stylist. You can also leave a note explaining what you're currently looking for, whether that's workwear, casual outfits, seasonal pieces, or something more specific. This gives your stylist useful context before they make selections. From there, you can order your fix. Your stylist will choose personalized clothing, shoes, and accessories for you. You can set up automatic deliveries if you want regular shipments, or you can simply order a fix whenever it works for you. After your first fix, you may get a preview of selected items. If that option is available, you can review the pics and choose which ones you'd like included. This gives you a little more control before the box is sent. Then your fix arrives at home, the personalized selection is delivered to your door, and Stitch Fix includes free shipping and returns, which makes the try-on process much easier. When it arrives, try everything on at home and take your time deciding what works for you. You can keep some items, keep everything, or return all of it if nothing feels right. Keep the pieces you want and return the rest using the provided return process. You only pay for what you keep. Stitch Fix currently charges a standard $20 styling fee per fix after the first one, and that fee is credited toward the items you buy from that shipment. If you keep 5 or more items in a women's or men's fix, you may also qualify for a 20% discount. Finally, give feedback on the items. Rating what you liked and didn't like helps your stylist improve future selections. And once you've completed your style profile and scheduled your first fix, you can also shop through Stitch Fix Freestyle, where you can buy personalized items directly without waiting for a fix box.